Here we've got Denver SDQ-52001G, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Here locate and open apps and notifications, and then go to see all apps. Click on more icon, and here you will notice reset app preferences. If you truly want to do it, just click on this icon and then confirm that you want to reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default application for actions, background data restriction for apps, and any permission restrictions by tapping on reset apps. And that is all. You've just reset app preferences. Congrats! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.